Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to start mining in Binance. First, ensure you have a fully verified Binance account, which is your gateway to the platform's services. Once logged in, locate the Binance Pool section, typically found under the Earn tab. This area is specifically designed for users interested in cryptocurrency mining. Familiarize yourself with the general requirements, as these are crucial before you proceed with setting up your mining operations. It's a straightforward process to get started. Next, you'll need to configure your mining account. Within the Binance Pool interface, create a distinct mining account name. This helps organize your activities. Then, choose the specific cryptocurrency you wish to mine, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum, from the list of supported assets. For each mining device you plan to use, generate a unique worker name. This allows you to monitor the performance of individual miners, providing valuable insights into your overall operation and efficiency. Now, it's time to connect your mining hardware. You will receive a specific pool URL and port from Binance Pool. Input these into your mining device's configuration settings. Crucially, enter the mining account name and the unique worker name you created earlier. A stable and reliable internet connection is absolutely essential for consistent mining operations and to ensure your hardware communicates effectively with the pool. Double-check all settings before starting your equipment. Finally, you can monitor your mining performance and earnings directly on the Binance Pool dashboard. This provides real-time data on your hash rate and accumulated rewards. Familiarize yourself with the payout schedule, which is typically daily, and any minimum withdrawal thresholds. Continuously optimize your mining setup, perhaps by adjusting hardware settings or considering different coins, to ensure you achieve maximum efficiency and profitability over time. Happy mining!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.